Today we are going to learn short sound of E. So what picture is this? This ice cream. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see few more words related to E. Okay. Yes. T-E-N, tin. P-E-N, pin. B-E-N, bin. S-E-X, six. L-E-P, lip. Z-E-P, zip. B-E-B, bib. N-E-B, nib. K-E-D, kid. L-E-D, lid. P-E-T, pit. E-N, find the given words in the word maze and circle them. Okay. Let us read the words. Nap. Okay. There we will search where it is and we have to circle it. Okay. So we'll search where it is. Yes, it is here. So nap. Okay. Next one. Pet. Okay. So pet, we will circle it. Okay. Then dip. Okay. So dip. Now we'll move to the next main. Cross out the odd word in each set of words. Okay. So let us see which are the words. Okay. Get. Nap. Red. Wet. Ten. So we have to see which one is odd one. See here, you can see all the words. Okay. So here only it is a. So we have to cross out nap. Nap. Okay. We'll cross out. We'll move to the next one. Mix. Sip. Big. Men. Hid. So these are all E words. Okay. These are all E words. So only this is a word. Okay. We'll cross out it. Okay. Next one. Sap. Rag. Leg. Bad. Pat. So here you can see these are all words. Okay. So only this is a. So a word, it is leg. Will cross out. Color the pictures having E sound in their names. Okay. Now we are having the coloring activity. We'll see what is this. Okay. Now see the picture. What picture is this? Bib. So what are the sounds for bib? B, bib. And what is this? Cap. Cap. So what they have said? Only E sound picture you have to color it. Now bib spelling sound is B. Bib. So we will color this. Any two color you can take and color it, children. Inside one color, this outer one you can take and color it. Okay. Inside any one color, outside any one color you can color it. Now next picture we will see. Now what is this? Ice. What are the sounds for ice? E, K, A. Okay. This is pan. Pan. So we have to color ice. Ice we will color with light blue color. Okay. Only the ice you have to color. Okay. So lightly you have to color it.